So this is the decimal square on MathsBot, and it's a great little tool for visualising the size of tenths, hundredths and thousands related to a whole. So the default here is the hundredths, and I'm just clicking the tiles here and you can see these decimals, fractions and percentages are increasing. If you want to do it quicker, you can click and drag the mouse rather than clicking each one individually. You can hide each of these, so you can hide them just by clicking them and you can see it disappears. And then you could maybe add a few more and then ask pupils to tell me what the decimal equivalent is now, or what percentage is shaded. So here you can see it's going to be 42% or 42 hundredths and so on. So you can play with it like that. These buttons here, the first two are self-explanatory, clear and fill. The sort and random buttons could be kind of fun, because if you hide all these values, then press the random, you can see it randomly shades a certain proportion of the grid. Now you might ask pupils to estimate maybe what proportion is shaded here. So as a decimal, maybe 0.8ish something, or maybe 80 out of 100, I don't know. Maybe 75%, 85%. You get pupils to estimate it, and then if you press the sort button, it organises them so it's much easier to count. So let's have a guess at, I don't know, 85%. Press the sort button, and you can see we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Oh, 83%. Looks to be shaded, and then you can reveal it. Yeah, there's your 83% or 83 hundredths or 0.83. So that's what it's like. The default, like I say, is on the hundredths square. You might want to start with the whole, just showing you've got 0, 1 whole. Then the tenths maybe, build it up. You've got 1 tenth, 2 tenths and so on until you build up to the whole. Then like I say, the default is the hundredths. And then you can also visualize thousands as well. So we're clicking on the thousands tab. You can see each of these hundreds now is divided into 10 as well. So you can individually count up in thousands. So 1 thousandths, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 thousandths, which is the same as 1 hundredths or 1%. There's also, if you really want to, the 10 thousandths, which splits each of these thousands into 10 as well. So maybe let's hide all these and press the random game again. What proportion now do we think is shaded? Let's have a guess. That's around about 50%, I'd guess. So let's sort it out. Oh, and it's looks like it to be just over 50%. The actual value is 57.86 or 5,786 thousandths, or as a decimal 0.5786. So yeah, there's the decimal square. Hopefully a nice versatile resource to get pupils visualising exactly what tenths, hundredths and thousandths look like.